So today I got in the mail was the LeEco LES3. So let's see what comes in the box. Pretty nice box. The phone. Comes with a pre-applied screen. This is the base model, the non-pro model. This comes with a Snapdragon 652 octa-core. As you can see, it comes with headphones. And since this phone does not have a headphone jack, it is a USB Type-C. Underneath that, you got your Type-C to analog 3.5 millimeter. You got your USB Type-C cable again. Type A. And then you got your Qualcomm's 3.0 quick charge power brick. It does support Qualcomm quick charge 3.0. Comes with a SIM tool, user guide. And this phone does come with a case, just a clear case, base model case. And let's get more specs on the phone. Oh, let's see. Everything that comes with it. So it is a LeEco LES3 30. I got the 32GB variant, 5.5 full HD display, 403 pixels per inch. Again, Qualcomm Snapdragon 562 processor, 3 gigs of RAM, 16 megapixel rear camera with dual LED flash, and then 8 megapixel front camera, 3000 milliamp, and then the fingerprint sensor. So the cool thing about this phone that the Chinese got down, but a lot of American manufacturers, a lot of our phones that we're used to seeing have is drop that thing. Is a dual SIM. See, we're trying to see more of these slots, but one with the SIM and one with just the micro SD card. This phone does support dual SIM, so you can have like an AT&T one and a T-Mobile one. GSM carriers, obviously not Sprint or Verizon, are not compatible with this, but it's a real nice phone. The body is not what you expect out of a $250 phone, let alone when it's on sale. I got it for $149. It kind of has that OnePlus 3 vibe looking. That OnePlus 3 and then that HTC design language. The fingerprint is recessed. It's like a mirrored finish. It's almost like it's going to be a fingerprint magnet. And it does have a front screen protector. Let's start this thing up. Sorry for the flash. I'm so sorry about that. It does have a nice weight to it. Tandem lines, a USB Type-C. Like I said, no 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Let me focus on there. Chamfered edges. I'm telling you, it has a good weight to it. Really does have a really good weight to it. Let's boot it up. It has the EUI interface, or like their version of Android. It's completely different. So it does come somewhat charged. And yeah, so it's a real nice phone, especially for $150. Real nice, actually. Launcher is loading. It's actually a real nice phone, especially at $150. And then did buy a screen protector for it, $5. And since I know this phone is new, it probably won't be any on Amazon. And for $5, you can't really beat it. It's directly from LeEco, the manufacturer. But like I said, 5.5 IPS full HD display. Yeah, so I'll give you guys a full, more in-depth retail. This was just an unboxing and first impressions. Real tactile buttons. Good feel to them. Recessed fingerprints, dual LED cameras. Dual LED flash, my bad, not dual cameras. But yeah, it's a real nice phone for what it's worth. Alright, thank you guys, and I'll be posting up a more in-depth review. Sorry about the flash, guys. Real sorry about the flash. But, thank you guys again. And so and keep in touch for that new review I'll put up about tomorrow. Thank you guys.